Hi guys, this is your hottest chef on the internet, Chef Prateek Dhawan, and I'm back with exciting recipe on Get Curried. Guys, summer season here, which means mango. I love mango, and I decided to create a combination of mango and wings and call it Mango Chilli Wings. So let's start cooking. In a bowl, add KP flour 1 cup, rice flour half a cup, ground cumin 1 teaspoon, paprika 1 tablespoon, turmeric half teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. Mix them well. Heat up the oven to 165 degrees Celsius. While the oven is getting heated up, apply oil on the wings. After that, apply the dry rub on the chicken nicely. Place the wings on the baking tray. And cook it for 25 to 30 minutes till it's properly done. To make the sauce in a large pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil starts heating up, I'm going to add cumin seeds, red chili flakes, and cook it for a few minutes to let cumin crackle. Once the cumin starts cracking, I'm going to add in bell peppers, garlic cloves, red onion chopped, ginger slices, and saute till it gets nice golden brown in color. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add in mango pulp, after that tamarind paste, jaggery, black pepper, salt. Stir until everything is combined and the sauce begins to bubble. Once you see bubble forming, remove from the heat and transfer it to a bowl and wait until the sauce has completely cooled down and then blend it into a fine puree. Let's prepare a quick dipping sauce. For that, in a bowl, I'm going to add mayonnaise, garlic powder, half a lemon juice, and salt, black pepper. Mix it nicely. And set it aside. Once the wings are 99% cooked, remove them out. Brush it with the mango sauce which we prepared earlier. And cook it for more 5 minutes. There you go guys, our mango chili wings are now ready. Serve it with mayo garlic dip which we prepared earlier. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this scrumptious wing recipe. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know how it turned out. But before you leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.